Good day everyone, this is Teacher Nori, and in this video we are going to learn about chemical changes. What is chemical change? Chemical change is the change that occurs when there is evidence of formation of new substances from the combination of different things, the result of a chain reaction, or by simple exposure to nature. What are evidences of chemical change? Some of the evidences that chemical change occur are: the first one is the release or absorption of heat. This occurs even without the actual exposure of the substances to heat and or cooling agents. The second one is the formation of bubbles and or precipitates. Precipitates, these are solid substances that forms at the bottom of the container. Even if you mix together liquid substances, at the end of mixing, you get a solid substance at the bottom of your container. The third one is the release of odor. The fourth one is the change in color, even though for example, you mixed clear liquids, but when you mix them together, the color of the mixture changed to either pink or yellow or blue. And the last one is the change in chemical properties. Chemical properties includes the boiling point, the melting point, the phase at room temperature, and the viscosity or the density of the substance. Examples of chemical change are ripening of fruits, rusting of iron, corrosion of metal, decomposition, digestion, photosynthesis, respiration, combustion, even cooking food, and baking are examples of chemical change. What is anaerobic decomposition? Anaerobic decomposition or anaerobic digestion is the breaking down or degradation of molecules from biodegradable materials into simpler forms without the aid of oxygen or without the presence of oxygen. When this happens, methane becomes one of the products of decomposition. Methane, also known as natural gas or biogas, is highly flammable and can be used as fuel. However, harvesting it requires technical know-how and care. If it is not handled carefully, a disaster may occur. This illustration shows us a general flow of how biogas or methane is produced through anaerobic decomposition. What is the difference between natural gas and biogas? Natural gas and biogas are essentially the same, as both is mainly made up of methane and carbon dioxide. The difference is their source. Natural gas comes from fossil fuels and is non-renewable, while biogas comes from anaerobic digestion of biodegradable materials. Thus, biogas is a renewable source of fuel and is a sustainable energy source. In this video, we have learned about chemical changes. I hope that by this time, you can easily identify physical and chemical changes. Until next time!